Hey guys, it's wash day. I'm already washed. I've got a hair clip, a brush, a water bottle, and I've got my hair butter, my sweet mango leave-in, and some hair vine over here. So let's get started. All right, so we've got our products here in this bowl. We're gonna mix them together and get started. We've got our Savannah Naturals hair butter, our sweet mango leave-in, and our hair vine. We're gonna section my hair into probably about 4 large sections on each side. Apply a liberal amount of our mixture, starting closest to the scalp and working our way down to the bottom. As you can see, we've got a good amount there. Work it through, make sure that we've got the hair coated well. And then we're gonna use our detangler. Now, I have a pretty loose curl pattern in the back of my hair, so my mom can start detangling a little higher up, closer to my scalp, and that's fine. You'll see as we move forward, she'll start detangling from the ends, working her way up, because my hair is a little bit more coarse and a little bit more thick as we get closer to my crown. But as you can see, she's just twisting, working her way all the way down to the bottoms. And yeah, we've got almost the first section done. For the next section, as you can see, what she's going to do is she's going to take a portion out and spray that with water. My hair dries pretty quickly, so she's going to spray it with water, get a good portion of the product on her hands, put that closest to my scalp, work that through all the way down to the ends. And here you can see she starts detangling closer to the bottom of my hair and working her way up towards my scalp. My hair is much more thick in this section, so the process is a little bit different. Now, I pretty much wear my hair in protective styles all the time. I generally try to wash my hair every week, if not every 2 weeks, but aside from that, my hair is always in a protective style unless I'm going to the hair salon to get a trim. So that means that it's really important to detangle during these times. I know that I'm going to have the normal amount of shedding that I would have had if I had been wearing my hair down the entire time. So it's most important that my hair is well hydrated and that we get it good and detangled, and we have a lot of slip on there by adding these products, and we are able to lock that moisture in. The great thing about it is that even though it seems like there's an excess of product right now, my hair is going to absorb pretty much all of this product over the next day or two. So my hair is still damp. I know it looks bone dry, but my hair is still damp. Ooh, look at that head. Oh my goodness gracious. My hair is still damp, so as it dries over the next day or two, this product will be absorbed. So we've got the first half done, and we are going to move on to the second half. Here we go. All right, so yep, as you can see, my mom is just applying to this particular section a nice amount. You know, it's okay to be heavy-handed with your product. You want to make sure that your hair is coated and moist and well hydrated. You can see my curl pattern there a little bit. We're going to add some water. Water is great for the hair. You should technically spray your hair every single day with water. You don't have to douse it. Just a light misting is cool. And apply the product and start twisting. And so, as I was saying, yes, my mother is twisting my hair in the direction of my curl pattern. It took me a while to realize how important it is to twist in the direction of your curl pattern. If you don't do so, then your twists are going to unwind. And I found that out the hard way over the course of far too much time. So, yeah, twist in the direction of your curl pattern. And here we've gotten to the last little section here. It's so crazy. On the side of my hair, my texture is entirely different. My curl pattern is much more loose and my hair is much more fine. So getting through this part here is not an issue at all. And this is probably going to be pretty much the easiest part. So my texture is finest and the curl pattern is loosest here on the sides and in the very back at the bottom in my nape area. That's where my curl pattern is loosest. In that crown, child, oof, is real touch and go in that crown. But I wouldn't have it any other way. For the most part, I have a pretty healthy head of thick hair, and this is how I like to maintain it. You can see that I've got the sides clipped up there. That's because I keep my perimeter out. I refuse to fall victim to the edge bandit out here and be edgeless in these streets. So I keep my perimeter out, and I just very loosely twist it so that it's out of the way. But I really don't pull or manipulate my perimeter in any way, shape, or form. So what you can see I've done here is I've left this top part out with a little middle part. I've done that in the off chance that I decide to wear my curly clip-ins. Every now and again, I have a great, idea that I want to wear my clip-ins. So in the off chance I decide that I do want to wear those, I leave a middle part out so that I can cover my clip-ins. For now, I'm just going to flat twist them down along with my perimeter so that when I wear my wigs on a daily basis, that they're not puffy in the top. But again, that's very, very loose. I don't pull in any way, shape, or form, and that's essentially my process. So I'm done. Everything's all hydrated, buttered, and twisted and parted, and that's my wash day routine. Thanks so much for joining me.